little bouncy. Oh yeah. It is. Yep. We made it to Whynot Motorsports Park in Meridian, Mississippi, or outside Meridian in Whynot, Mississippi. But about to go register the car. We got it loaded. We got Dusty dyno tuning the old pit bike out there. But we're gonna go register and take a look at the racetrack. Here it is, Whynot Motorsports Park. Rodney Wings House of Hook, they call it. Nice little bull ring. Always gets really wide and racy. So hopefully I have some good luck. We drew a 33, so maybe that's a good sign for a good weekend. back in the shop. We decided not to go again Saturday night, which is tonight. Today's Saturday. Brought it home, cleaned it up, took the whole right side off. We just didn't have the material to put the right side back on, the quarter panel deck piece, spoiler. Racing incident, but still sucks, kind of ruined the weekend. I tore it up in the heat race. Didn't see the caution light, couldn't find out the lights weren't working on the track. And then got it fixed, patched back together, and roll out for the feature. Felt like I had a lot better car. Did not unload where we should have been. It was real bad off, but super tight on entry. If y'all can help me out, easy way to loosen up a late model on entry and not really affect the rest of the track. Leave a comment, let me know. Rolled out for the feature. Felt like we were gonna do really good. Track came to us. Car was getting better, and I think I picked off a couple cars, and one of the lead cars spun out and rolled down the track, and a couple cars clipped them along with me and blew the whole right side off. And then it was just going after that. Lose the right side on these things, it's bad. It felt like I had a flat right rear, so made a couple laps until I started getting past and was severely off the pace and just pulled off. But we're gonna get it fixed up. Left side still looks all right. The nose is clean. Got the car cleaned, but got tires cleaned, trailer cleaned out there. So got to clean the shop next. Get the modified ready. We might race it in a couple more weeks, but we will be at Outlaw this coming Saturday night, October 29th, for the Mississippi State Series Super Late Model. So we will have the 98 car out there at Outlaw. They're gonna have a trunk or treat. Is that how they say it? Trunk or treat for the kids. So we'll be passing out candy for the kids. All the cars and drivers will be out there to do that. So come check it out. Hopefully we'll have a lot better luck this time. So we'll see.